Ahoy there, sailors! Here's how you can start a new game in Windrose. Now, I'm sure some of you have attempted to create a new save in the game, and like what we're used to with other games, creating a new world means a new save. The case is different for Windrose though. To start a new game from scratch, you'll have to create a new character. You can do this by simply clicking on your character while on the main menu or world selection screen. Create a new character, customize it, and once that's done, click on his nameplate and choose the select button to return to the world selection menu. You can still play your previous worlds with the new character, but you'll start from scratch. Also, if you create a new world. The thing is, no matter how many worlds you create with the same character, you'll end up starting with that character's progression in quests, items, stats, and etc. And only the map is reset. Though this would also mean you can play the same character over different world settings and difficulties. And that sums it up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windrose guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.